Handsome.
Here some tips about tiles Hop EDM Rush videos. If you hit the middle of the tiles, you get more score. Keep your eyes on the slightly ahead of the tile.